Now students, we are going to discuss about the condition of women before and after revolution. Whenever you will compare the condition or situation of women, what kind of situation was before the revolution and what kind of changes occurred after revolution, that time easily you can analyze, easily you can be check what kind of changes occurred in their life. From beginning, already I have explained to you and I told you so many times that how women also be participated in various events that happened at the time of revolution, when that people started to changes their society. First of all, though they were not represented there in the assembly, but they presented so many letters, they also conveyed so many message of that revolution because they wanted changes in their life also. So that from the very beginning, women also were active participants in the events which brought about so many important changes in French society. Means that kind of views or opinion they gave before revolution, that also be so many important changes occurred in the French society only due to that, because that opinion and views they only accepted from women category only. Why that time women they participated in revolution and why they struggled, that you need to check, because they hoped that their involvement would pressurize the revolutionary government to introduce measures to improve their lives. Maybe by their involvement, maybe government would pressurize and they maybe took some changes. They also took some provision for changing the lifestyle of women category. That's why they only be involved in that revolutionary work. Fine. And how they survived their life. Next you have to check what about the professions they choose that time. That time women also had to do work and they also had to earn money for surviving their family members, because that time men, they were most of the time they were engaged in various war, so that they are unable to look after their family members, and that kind of responsibility only on shoulder of women category. So that most of the women of the third estate, they had to work for a living. They worked as seamstress or laundries. They also sold flowers, fruits and vegetables at the market. Fine. They also have to queue up for the bread, because that time they all only be queued up for bread and look after their children. Fine. And also they had to cook food and fetch water. All kind of work only they had to do. Not only they earned money, they also had to do household work also. And they also not got right to education. Only means those belong from the third estate, that girls, they did not had right to get education. They only those belong from noble family, their daughters, or those are the belong from wealthier family, that girls only be allowed to get education, or they only could study at a convent, and after which their families arranged a marriage for them. They not able to do marriage according their wish. They only had to do marriage according to the wish of their family members. They only arranged their marriage. Next one, that time women also got low wages than the men. Though same kind of, they did more work than men, but they earned low wages. They got low wages than men. So that kind of hard life, they had to do a great struggle for surviving their life. Now you have to compare what kind of changes occurred in the life of women after revolution. Fine. That time women actively participated in events that brought important changes in the French society. their active participation, due to their active participation only, that time their life also will change. They also got some position in the society. They also to discuss and vote their interest. They began their political clubs and newspaper. Fine, they also set up some political clubs. Few Jacobin clubs also be formed by the women category only, and they also published newspaper for conveying their message. Fine. Next one, when in 1791 that the members of third estate, they drafted constitution in 1791. That time women category, they demanded right to vote. They also wanted to contest in the election because they wanted to become the member of that assembly, and they also wanted to hold public offices. Fine, means they that time they started a great struggle, great protest for getting their rights. That, and after revolution, revolutionary government took some steps in favor of the women. Compulsory schooling now. Previously they not got, means those belong from the poor category or third estate members, that girls, they did not have any kind of right to education there, but after revolution they got right to vote, right to education. And now no forced marriages. Now girls can able to do marriage according their wish. Now their family members, they not insisted or they not pressurized girls to do marriage according their wish only. Now marriage is also to be registered. After marriage, their marriages were registered and divorce made legal and could be applied by both and women. Means men and women both, they can apply for divorce. Now girls could be trained for jobs and run small businesses. Fine. Then next one, movements for equal political rights. How afterwards also, after next 200 years, they did struggle for getting political rights, and in 1946 women got right to vote. So that they did a long struggle for getting their political rights. So if you compare the situation after and before of revolution, easily you can analyze what kind of drastic changes occurred in the life of women in France after revolution.